Oh, hi. I'm acting surprised like I didn't hit record myself on my own computer. I'm throwing up a video real quick for everybody. If you want to go to automotivesalestrainer.com, that's what's going down below. That'll take you to the least expensive way to jump into the Genius Training Network, which is going to be an automotive show done live weekly for your staff to interact, talk to us, and go through what they need to do to sell more cars, make more money, and all in all, just be happier kind of people. So I just wanted to come out and say, hey guys, look, I was talking with somebody today, said, hey, you know what? Isn't it kind of weird that like all the sales trainers that are out in automotive all kind of look the same, look a little grumpy, look whatever. And then I went out and said, look, I'm telling you, let's go through. Okay. There's a bunch of guys out here. Now they looked at me and said, you look like a lot of those guys on the screen. And I laughed and I said, dude, I got the fun goatee that's also gray for the experience. And we like to train with humor. And so some of our success stories, for those of you that aren't familiar with us over here at the Sales Genius Network, here you go. You know, we've got changes coming up this year. Why? Because everything's flipping the other way. I'm going to tell you what I believe. Action solves everything. It's actually a shirt I made because I believe it. So take some action. Jump onto Automotive Sales Trainer, see if it's for you. There's a sample episode there. It's not one of these log in, have your team watch everything, take a test stuff. No, live stuff that we do once a week. So get that done. If not, reach out and we can talk about helping your dealership. Thanks.